Hello, good day. Greetings to all of you. I am Chris Masurenko. I'm an economic geologist and I have a Eurogeology title from the EFG. What I would like to do today is introduce a course to you about responsible mining and transparent supply chains in critical raw materials, artisanal mining as well as large-scale mining. And we want to talk about the supply chains. We want to talk about the social license to operate geoethics. But let me say something about me shortly so that you know better who I am. I'm since 30 years in the mining business and exploration. I have started in mining of manganese material, manganese ores in Ghana. I've lived a long time in Ghana and in other African countries. I worked also in South America and Asia, and now partly in Europe for the Critical Mining Act. I do have experience with consultancy as well. I have built my own consulting group, EC Terra, in 2008 with two colleagues together, and we are offering services in exploration and mining, specifically for clients to help them introducing sustainable and responsible mining techniques in their operations. We are solving problems, for example, with the social license to operate. We are, of course, covering also the technical aspects of mining projects, feasibility studies, pre-feasibility studies, all these economic studies is part of our group. We are having a network of experts with us who are supporting us in mine planning, 3D modeling. So it's a full service that we can offer you worldwide. Yeah, we can support your mining projects. And of course, we are also there for consultants. So we have two ways of being in touch here. Either through the course, you join the course, Responsible Mining and Transparent Supply Chains, and we meet there, or you contact us directly for our services. Should you need help in your projects, we are there. You can phone us, you can WhatsApp us. I'm on LinkedIn, so please get in touch. And yeah, I hope to see you either way in the course or via the contact through my company. What's the course about? I'm going to speak about standard procedures, protocols, about the mining codes that we should apply. And then I will go over the geoethics behind the mining codes as well, how to write reports, not so much how to write them technically, but why they are important, standardization of mining reports. I will go through the key issues in exploration and mining, and give you some real-life examples from my experience in the past. I just had a course at the Karlsruhe University KIT and gave a 3 days block course to students there. I learned myself that I have a lot of experience with bad mining samples, but also with good examples and how it should be done. So we will generally talk about solutions here in this course. I will try to give you some tools on hand to understand better what needs to be done. And from my perspective, it's generally a common sense, but we still need to talk about it because often we see now this common sense is obviously seen different in the world. So there will be discussions on challenges of ASM, small-scale mining, the lack of regulations there, limited market access, and yeah, we will talk about tools that we need to establish for talking to the communities, grievance mechanism, for example, but also having open and transparent words with the communities and also with politicians. My aim is to create also a bigger understanding, a better understanding of critical raw materials and responsible mining. For us in Europe, it's extremely important now with the CRM, the Critical Raw Materials Act. We need to promote mining in Europe more, and we need to get a better understanding of what is happening in the world at the moment. So I would love to see you all to this course. which happens to be in April on the 28th, if I recall correctly. It will be a 2 hours course, and you will see the registration and the profile on the EFG webpage and potentially also on LinkedIn. So please feel free to register there, and I would very much welcome to see you there and yeah, to talk about all the aspects of responsible mining and transparent supply chains in critical raw materials. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.